how to see Street View on Google Maps on iPhone. This also works for Android as well. So if you want to go on Google Maps and see the Street View of what you're trying to do, it's real easy to do. So go ahead to Google Maps, and I'm just going to focus in somewhere here, and I'm just going to drop a pin. So all you really have to do is click on the screen. It'll drop a pin, and when you do that, a small little square at the mid-sized left corner right above the address and all the information, a small picture will pop up, and you can go ahead and click that picture. And then what this is going to do is it's going to give you a current Street View of the pin that you dropped, so you can go ahead and scroll throughout and see what's going on. You can also use these white arrows that are on the screen and zoom through and go and check things out. So it's a really quick and simple way to check out the Street View of pins that you may drop, certain addresses, just to kind of get a feel of what it looks like. And that's it.